Okay, we're going to begin the assembly, starting with the torso of the Storm Bringer. And first we're going to begin removing some parts here for ease of accessibility. Or I think we could leave that there for now. Don't want to ruin it. I had to double check a few parts here and there to make sure everything looks kosher and set up properly. So for now, I have to see how I'm going to do this. I don't think this one I think I can remove. Let me see. Take that out. And with this, like this. Put that here. Excuse me. And then put this one here. Come on, there we go. Alright, so that's complete. And could have put it on without it, but I don't know. That's okay. Now I gotta be very careful here. I believe this one. Oh no, I need this first. And this that goes here. This kept on coming off because it needed this to support it. So now that this whole thing is painted, ooh, hold on, I think I gotta remove, no I can't, that's actually part of this, so this has to be lifted, or I think I have to pull this out. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's easy. Excuse me. Alright, so with that there, I think we can put this one on top of it. Or not. I think I have to remove this. Come on. Thank you. There we go. I think that looks good. Yeah, that should be fine. Alright, so I'm going to take these two apart. And then we slide this one through here, and this one through there. Okay. Now we have the two little wingies, and to go on the inside, this one. Whoop! Other way. What I did with these two little wing parts, I actually took them and I sanded it down and made like a sharp, fine blade-like scenario. Hopefully that goes in nice. Not. Hold on a second. Ooh. There's a little bit of excess flash there. Let me remove it, because it has to go all the way in. There we go. I think I may have to do the same thing for the other. I'll find out soon enough. There we go. There we go. That's much better. And once you put these on, then we have the red part here. Goes into this. There we go. And then put these two like so. Nice. Ooh, that is nice. I like that. Now these two go here. Good. I like this. I'm actually more content with what I'm seeing here because there was this little notch here that I was going to paint it separate, but now that I'm looking at this, I'm glad I didn't paint it, because that would have been a bit of a chore. And I also forgot these two. I'm going to try this way. Yeah. What do you think of that? Looks good? I think so. I think so. And that goes here. And that goes here. I think we're done with this. So the torso is complete. Let's now move on to that backpack. This was already put on together already. Then we have this that goes with this here. This that goes with this here. And then we slide them in like so. There we go. That's in there. And we have these two. Gotta be very careful. I'm gonna use a marker. Oh no. Where is my other one? Use this one. There we go. Good. That's not coming out. Alright, so that goes here. It goes there. These two merge together, like so. Then this one goes here, followed by this one that goes there. These will be for the fuel tanks, and these will be for the beam saber hilts. There we go. There we go. So that completes that, and we're going to put this on here. Oop, hold on. This thing is not fully in there. Ooh, we got to be careful. Did I scratch the paint? I better not. Yeah, I think that one's annoying me, but I'll figure it out soon enough. Alright, so there we go. So there it is. The torso with the backpack is complete for the Master Grade Stormbringer. Pretty nice. Let's now move on to the next part of the build. Alright, so the next part is going to be the head of the Stormbreaker. Stormbringer. Sorry, Stormbreaker. And get the face mask here. Let's put it onto this. That's easy. Easy peasy. Grabbing the back head. And put this one through here, like so. Then we have this one, which I said before, I painted the eyes. Yeah, I know, you guys are saying it should be green, but I think this is fine. It reflects really nice. Oops, we'll lift over tape. Goes in there, like so. And then this part going here. Oops. Let me make sure I do this right. Get in there. There we go. So that goes there. And then this one goes right over it. Just gonna a little pressure there. Good. And now that goes here. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. That is actually pretty nice. Didn't have to paint the inside of that. Hold on, is that aligned properly? I feel like it's not, but alright. So I guess you didn't have to paint the ends up here, because you're barely going to see it, but this part is nice. Yeah, it looks pretty good though. Ooh, nice. By the way, for a little insight here, this little part here, it was actually more flush to the head, but because there was a seam line here and I was sanding it down, I ended up sanding down the whole thing. So, with proper measurements and precisionness, I took one of my plow plates and I cut it to size to fit what it used to be. Painted right over it. I mean, glued it right over it. Then sanded it down a little bit further, and the effect came out pretty nice. Cool, isn't it? Alright, let's now move on to the next part of the build.